Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop iPhone hotspot from disconnecting. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To start this process, open the settings app on your iPhone, navigate to the mobile or cellular data section. Then go ahead and scroll down to locate Wi-Fi assist to the utmost bottom, and we just have to disable it. Afterward, turn off your mobile data. Next, return to the settings app, tap on Wi-Fi, and choose the information icon, the eye, next to your connected network. From there, choose Forget this network and confirm the action by tapping Forget. Now, head back to the mobile or cellular data settings and toggle off your mobile data. Wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on. Proceed to your hotspot settings and update the password. Turn off the personal hotspot function, wait for a moment, and then enable it again. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.